Hi students, I hope you're having a fantastic day. I am going to show you something real quick tutorial here in Canva. I want you to be sure you are on the home page. Then we are going to choose brochure. I'm going to quickly show you how to update a template by altering the photos. I know you are researching the best classroom pet. So I am going to search under templates for animal. And let's choose this one. We have two different options. And I think we will go with this option. You will notice as I move my mouse around, different texts, different boxes, all of this, everything that can be highlighted can be altered. But today we're going to focus on pictures. So the way you alter a picture in this template is we're going to highlight it. So in order to highlight a picture or any text, when we see that purple, we're going to click. Okay, so then you'll notice I have my um, circles in all four corners. I have this picture highlighted. So in order to change this picture, I can click the delete button, the trash, or I can hit my backspace. Okay, so that has removed the picture, and now I'm able to insert a different picture. You will see that there's still a frame here that we can put a new picture into, just merge it into this frame. It's kind of like a placeholder in our template. So we're going to come over to elements. I'm going to search for a pet. And you'll notice we have graphics, photos, videos, audio, lots of options. Right now I'm just going to choose a photo. So let's see what our options are here. And this cat looks kind of silly. So let's choose our cat. So to choose our cat, we just click on it. It's going to pull the photo over into our brochure. And we want to move that so it's in that placeholder, it's in that frame. So I'm going to click and drag, and you'll watch and you will notice, see how we have the frame, the highlight of the purple. Okay, so that has merged now. I think it needs to be moved over a little bit if we can. So in order to alter that, we're going to double click. Now you'll notice we can click and drag, which allows us to choose what part of our photo we want to be visible. Okay, when we're done with that, we're just going to click off to the side. Our cat looks a little bit better now. He's a little more centered. Again, you would be able to do that for any other photo that is in your template. You can use stock photos that are in Canva, which is what you're searching over here, or you may also upload a photo, and that is something that we will go over in a future tutorial.